Hello everyone, good day. Today I will share you the easy steps on how you can deposit funds from your GCash account to your OKX account. So first, kailangan na natin na ready yung funds natin sa ating GCash accounts. So dito makikita nyo na yung available funds ko is 5,900 plus. Siyempre, yung OKX account natin must be verified. Okay, so ngayon magde-deposit ako ng pera sa aking OKX account para ma-exchange ko ang peso ko into dollars. So click lang natin yung P2P trading. Sa P2P trading lalabas ito. And dito i-change lang natin ang payment methods into GCash kasi nandoon yung galing yung pera natin. And let's try to see if there are exchanges here na aabot sa ating cash na ipapasok. So dito pwede tayo sa itong agent. Ang agent natin is si Queen Express na may 99% completion. So dito tayo sa kanya magpapa-exchange. So yung 5.9 ko sa kanyang exchange ay magiging $102.04. Click lang natin yung buy USDT, zero fees. And click lang natin yung OK and chat natin siya kung available ba siya ngayon. Okay? So, nag-reply na siya na please proceed. Click lang natin yung pay now para makuha natin ang kanyang phone number sa kanyang GCash account. Ngayon, isasend naman natin yung cash natin para ma-exchange ito into dollars. Click lang natin and yung amount. Okay, check lang natin kung tama ang ating cash na pinapadala. 5,900, isi-send lang natin ito sa number na kinopya natin doon sa ating OKX. Then send na natin and kunin lang natin yung authentication number from the text message. Okay, ayan na, 551768. At ito na. So, huwag natin kalimutan na i-download ito para ma-save natin yung resibo. At ito yung gagamitin natin para ma-exchange yung pera natin from GCash to OKX. Confirm natin yung payment at saka i-remind natin. Check natin sa kanyang chat box at antayin natin na ma-release niya yung cash. Alright, so yan, sell received payment order is already complete. So congratulations, your 5,900 is already 102.04 in dollars. So that's it. That's basically it. Punta tayo sa ating dashboard para ma-check kung nandun na ba. Okay, nandyan na. And this time I will teach you on how to deposit your OKX funds to your DGPT account. First, you need to have the OKX funds to your OKX account, of course. Dapat ready na ito. And i-transfer lang natin ito sa ating DGPT account. So, by doing that, let's follow these steps. First, you need to click the assets in the lower right corner. And then click withdraw. And then click withdraw crypto. And now, click na natin yung USDT funds natin. And click natin yung on-chain. Dito makikita natin yung USDT address, withdrawal network, and withdrawal amount. First, iset up lang natin yung withdrawal network. So, yung withdrawal network natin from OKX to DGPT is USDT TRC20. Ilagay lang natin yung amount na kailangan natin para sa pagsisimula ng DGPT. And yung USDT address, kunin natin sa ating DGPT account. Let's go! So, dito sa DGPT account, click lang natin yung Asset Center. And i-click natin yung deposit. Dito sa amount, ilagay natin yung $98 kasi yung processing fee from OKX to DGPT is only $1. So, click natin yung confirm deposit and mag-generate na ito ng deposit address. Ito yung kukunin natin. Click lang natin ito. para makopy. And leave as it is, punta tayo sa ating OKX app. Ngayon, ipapaste lang natin tong USDT address. After that, let's proceed and click submit. Make sure na tama lahat yung information na nilagay natin para hindi mag-error yung system. Now, for this potential risk warning prompt, click lang natin yung box and click continue. Now, click natin yung confirm to proceed. Dito, mas minabuti ko na i-verify or gamitin na lang yung passkey ko para nang sa ganon ay madali na lang i-process yung ating transaction. And tada! Request submitted, and click lang natin yung view details para malaman natin yung status ng ating transaction. But before that, punta tayo sa ating DigiPT account and click lang natin yung payment completed. Matapos yung payment completed, we'll just wait 1 to 2 minutes para mag-reflect yung funds natin from OKX or yung magiging success yung transfer ng funds from OKX to our DigiPT account. So just after 30 seconds ng ating pag-aantay sa transaction na mag-go through from OKX to DigiPT account ay nag-notify na sa atin yung OKX and success na po yung or send na po yung $98 sa ating OKX, DigiPT account. So let's check. Punta tayo sa ating DigiPT. Click lang natin ang start. After that, click lang natin yung profile. At ayan na, makikita natin yung task natin ay meron ng $100 and we are now ready to purchase the Accelerator 1. So, without further ado, punta lang tayo sa ating power. Then, click lang natin ang first type of task which is text from level 0 to level 6. And for first timers, lalabas talaga itong funding password. So this time, I'll just add my password. Pwede yung password na ginagamit nyo sa login. Pwede nyo gamitin yun para iisahan na lang yung password niyo. Okay, check lang natin kung magkapareho. Make sure take na natin screenshot para hindi natin makalimutan. Okay, success, and we are now ready to purchase the Accelerator 1. Here we can see the Accelerator 1 is $100, so click lang natin yung buy now. Click natin another yung buy now, and then lagay lang natin yung password natin na sinet up natin kanina. And click lang natin yung confirm. Now you have successfully purchased the Accelerator 1 and now you're ready to deploy this for the collection of your idle computing power. Congratulations, and now you may be able to click the start button. Okay, just a reminder, every day starting 12 noon, you should be able to click the start button of your Accelerator in order to claim your daily income. So that's all for today. Thank you and see you on the next video.